For mint or pudina chutney, we take 1 bunch of pudina leaves cleaned and washed, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 green chilli, a small piece of ginger, 1 onion and the juice of 1 lemon. We will also add half teaspoon ajwain or carom seeds and 1 teaspoon black salt. Grind the mint leaves with chopped onion, ginger, green chilli and carom seeds or ajwain. While grinding, you can add a little water. 1 or 2 tablespoons is enough. Our chutney is ready. Now we add the black salt and the juice of 1 lemon. In place of lemon juice, you can also add 1 teaspoon amchur powder or 1 teaspoon anardana powder. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for further recipes. Thank you.